I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account in a browser. This links everything. Next, download Google Drive for desktop and install it. This creates a synced folder in Finder so files behave like local files. Once done, give the app required permissions for camera, microphone, and notifications in system settings. These let Google Meet and Drive work smoothly. Make sure to enable full disk access only if you need broad folder sync. Otherwise, limit permissions for privacy. You now configure what syncs and how apps open links. Open Drive preferences and pick which folders to mirror or stream. Stream saves disk space. Mirror keeps offline copies. Install web app shortcuts from Chrome by visiting Gmail, Docs, or Calendar and selecting Install App. This gives native-like windows. Once done, set default handlers in Mac OS for Mail and Calendar links so Google Apps open by default. That keeps a consistent workflow and avoids duplicate account prompts. You finish by confirming everything syncs and functions. Check the Drive icon in the menu bar to confirm up-to-date or see specific file errors. Address conflicts by renaming or choosing versions. Enable offline access in Docs/Sheets/Slides for continued productivity without internet. If apps misbehave, sign out of the Google account, restart the Mac, and sign back in. If that fails, clear Drive's cache or reinstall Drive. This single troubleshooting step often resolves stuck syncs and permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.